you will know when and how to use the second conditional. Hello everyone and welcome back to English Space. Today I want to talk about the grammar. And by the end of this video, you will know when and how to use the second conditional. So get comfy and let's begin. Before I get to the rules and explanations, I want you to take a look at some examples that I have prepared for you. If I moved to Mars, maybe I would meet some aliens there. If he were her, he would take that offer. If I lived 300 years, I would try so many more things in life. Now, I want you to analyze these sentences. First of all, I want to say that I'm talking about future. But if you look at these examples closely enough, you can see that I'm talking about unreal future or hypothetical future. For example, I cannot move to Mars right now, or at least the average person cannot go to Mars. Or he cannot be her physically, so this is also an unreal situation. And in the last sentence, people do not live 300 years. So this is also an unreal situation. So here is the rule for when we use the second conditional. And it is actually the only case for when we use this conditional. It is to talk about unreal, hypothetical future. And now I want to talk about how do we use it. So let's get back to our examples. So let's start with the first sentence. And I want you to look at the first part of the first sentence. So, if I moved to Mars. You see here we use past simple. We use if plus past simple. Sometimes it can be past continuous as well. Now, let's look at the second part of this sentence. Maybe I would meet some aliens there. So you can see that I use the word would and meet, would do, basically. So this is the structure for the second part of the sentence. I would do something. He would do something. Now, if you look at the second sentence, you can see the same structure there. So, if he were her. You see, this is past simple. If he were her. By the way, I want you to pay attention that I say were, not was. Because for the second conditional, we don't use was for persons. Like he, she, it, I, you, we, they. We use were. We only use were. And the next part, he would take that offer. You also see that would do something. He would take that offer. And in the last sentence is pretty much the same. If I lived 300 years, if plus past simple, I would try so many more things in life. I would try. Would do. I would do. So that is how we use the second conditional. Once again, if plus past simple or past continuous and would do something. Also, I want to say that we can use would, could, and might, these three words. For example, I might meet some aliens there. I could meet some aliens there. So we can use these three words, would, could, might. So now you know when and how to use the second conditional. And let's just quickly review it. So we use the second conditional to describe unreal, hypothetical future. And how do we use it? We say if plus past simple or past continuous And to the next part, we say would, could, might do something. So that's it for the second conditional. Well, folks, I guess this is it for now. I hope you find this video useful, and if so, you know what to do. In case you don't know what to do, you can give this video a like, you can leave some comments, and you can subscribe if you haven't so. Remember that you can ask me to describe some topic in my future videos, and I will probably do that. So that's it. Have a good time, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.